In this video, I'm going to show you how to create full-width page sections in Elementor on your WordPress website. To create a full-width page in Elementor, log in to your WordPress website dashboard. On your WordPress website dashboard, left-click the Pages tab in the left navigation bar. Here, you will see all your pages. Simply choose the page you want to use the button widget on by left-clicking the appropriate option. After left-clicking, you will be taken to the selected page. In the top bar, left-click the blue Edit with Elementor button. This will load Elementor. Wait a few seconds for Elementor to successfully load. Once Elementor has loaded, you will see the Elementor page, Editor, Layout. To create a full-width page, simply left-click the 6 dots icon on the page to open up the page editor in the left navigation bar. Now, in the left navigation bar, you can change the width of the page. Simply left-click the Full Width Layout tab button to convert the page to a full-width layout. Your page will now be full width. To change the page height, look for the Height tab and left-click the drop-down menu next to the tab. From the menu, select the Fit to Screen option to set the height of the page to full. After tweaking all the settings, simply left-click the Update button at the bottom of the left navigation bar to save all the changes.